A 25 million road project on a well-maintained light new road Malanday, Marikina, and a pair of drainage outfall projects, phases 1 and 2, with so little specifications and identical budgets of 50 million have set off red flags. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes took his team to the site locations in Valley City, and he found the story.
Every time there is a typhoon, Marikina is one of the first to be monitored because many barangays in the city are immediately submerged in flood waters. That is why what Marikina needs right now is dependable flood control project. There are existing projects and there are even new ones for the year 2026. But some of them seems questionable and will make you wonder. I obtained the list of the National Expenditure Program or NEP of Marikina City for the year 2026. You will see the project for the rehabilitation of drainage outfall Phase 1 Marikina City. But what is strange is that it has no exact address, yet the budget is 50 million pesos. Where is this project? Is no one knows? As even Marikina Representative Marcy Teodoro is questioning the project.
Walang station number, wala siyang station ID kung tawagin. Walang coordinates. Very general, vaguely identified. Tapos round of figure. Red flag na kung tutusin dahil round of figure, tapos walang coordinates, hindi malaman kung saan gagawin.
What's worse, there is a phase 2 of the project and the budget is also 50 million pesos. Based on the NEP of Marikina City, there's also a fund allocated for the rehabilitation of the road at Malaya Street, Barangay Malanday, Marikina City. If you look at this road, it's smooth, no damage, but next year they want to tear it down and the budget is 25 million pesos. For what purpose and for what reason?
Hindi naman sira eh. Bakit sisirain? Ang ganda nga eh. Bakit sisirain nila? Dapat ang sira, dapat ayusin. Pero pagbuo, dapat hindi naman sinisira.
But the very project ordered by the President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in Marikina City had its budget slashed. This is the construction of a drainage system at the Marikina River. Based on the study of the local government, the budget should be almost 320 million. But in the 2026 NEP, it is only 112,977,000. Just half of the funds needed.
Yun yung nililinaw natin sa DPWH. Sabi naman kanina ni Secretary Vince, kung may duplication, talagang tatanggalin natin yung duplication para yung pera mas magamit yung sa project na kailangan para sa flood control. At kung kailangan may managot, mananagot ang gumawa niya. Kung sino man yung nag-prepare, nag-identify.
But the DPWH promised to review this and ensure that there will be no anomalies in its final 2026 budget proposal. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.